National champs, there can be only one. T-O-P-G-U-N, Top Gun.
Welcome to the house of revolvers. You will soon learn that we're the shot callers.
Been there and done that, keep making comebacks, showing what determination means. What it means. Put my nose to the grind, still never accept no look where that drive is taking me. I'm on the edge of alright, on the edge of so right.
Top Gun.
My gun is smoking hot, just like a revolver.
Everything or not, you don't know
She
her.
gon' hit you with that chitty chitty bang, bang bang bang, pow.
Welcome to the house of the revolvers. Welcome to the BC. Everything's still TG.
Here to take over the world. I'm ready and I got my girls. I'm suited up and booted up. My hair back looking just right. I got my eyes on the prize. I'm here to take what is mine, so you can fall back. I'll take that and that's that.
No matter the time frame, Top Gun, top of the game.
We slaying next and death, but we living forever. Revolvers, we flawless, we doing the better.
Check the history books. We always win gold. Don't step to us. You've been told.
This is the house. This is the house of revolvers.
Step into that ring, you know we shut it down. Don't get it twisted, this is our house. Don't get comfortable, we about to kick you out. Got my squad with me, we about to turn it out.
Everyone is welcome to the house of revolvers. If there's a problem, you know we will solve them. Queens of the pyramid, yeah, we run the land. To all of our haters, you're always sick and sane.
The strength of Cleopatra, all my ladies are leaders. Hard working, beautiful, with the tough demeanor.
You are met your doom. Time to step into your tomb.
What a girl to do when that gun go bang. Rolling like Miss Cleo, walking like an Egyptian. She's shredding it now, she working that thing. Top Gun, where you go now? We go finish this.
Revolvers.
Those were indeed the Revolvers from Southwest, ladies and gentlemen.